Hello everyone, and welcome to the Italian Language Studio. My name is Lorenzo, and I will be your Italian teacher on this journey. Now, let's start with the very first step of learning Italian, the alphabet. Because before we speak full sentences, we need to understand how Italian sounds and how each letter is pronounced. The good news is that the Italian alphabet is very similar to English, so you will already recognize most of the letters. So once you learn the sounds, you can already start reading confidently. Let's go step by step and learn the Italian alphabet together. The Italian alphabet has 21 main letters. They are
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
You might notice that J, K, W, X, and Y are not originally part of the Italian alphabet. They are only used in foreign words. Now, let's learn how the letters sound in Italian. Listen carefully and pronounce them with me. A is pronounced like
A,
Let's say it again.
A,
B is.
B,
Let's say it again.
B,
C is.
C,
Again.
C,
D is.
D,
Say it again.
D,
E is.
E,
Again.
E,
F is.
F,
Again.
F,
G is.
G,
Again.
G,
H is.
H,
Again.
H,
I is.
I,
Again.
I,
L is.
L,
Again.
L,
M is.
M,
Again.
M,
N is.
N,
Again.
N,
O is.
O,
Again.
O,
P is.
P,
Again.
P,
Q is.
Q,
Again.
Q,
R is.
R,
Again.
R,
S is.
S,
Again.
S,
T is.
T,
Again.
T,
U is.
U,
Again.
U,
V is.
V,
Again.
V,
Z is.
Z,
Again.
Z.
Great job! Now you know the Italian alphabet. Practice these sounds regularly, and you will become more confident step by step. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. In the next video, we will start using these letters to form simple Italian words. See you in the next lesson.
Ciao.